How many cows will it take to global Mahu? Well, let's say one day say alobol. Ungafuna inkomo engaki?
Hello everyone, hope resikuhamba kahle. Mahu, it seems like uyazazi nje ukuthi ubiza kangakanani. She does know her self-worth ukuthi yena how expensive she is, ukuthi umuntu ofuna ukumthatha fanele ayimisele ngokuthi uzokhokha ngempela, because she is definitely not cheap. Lokho ngishisa ukuthi in an interview la khona bembuza khona ukuthi mengathi uyalotsholwa angalotsholwa neinkomo ezingaki, yena wasephendula ke, but ngeke ngeze ngikuspoilele, ngifuna ukuthi uyizwele wena, but i-answer yalapho iyamangaza, ngeke uze ukholwe. Ashone khona ngesoyibuka ke leyo interview. Make sure ukuthi uma uthi uyaqala ukufika ushare usubscribe because awufuni ukuthi uphuthele ilutho. So ke ashone khona ke ngingadleli isikhathi sakho, uyangazi angithanda ukuthi ngidle isikhathi sakho. Shone khona ke.
Oh, what's the day?
Mahu, the rich Mona Lisa.
Hey, the one and only.
Yeah.
I just want to know, ne, what's that one song that made you blow up?
Thokoza. Okay, which one? Thokoza. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Just give us like 2 lines, little snippets. You as beautiful as your IG. Homa.
Thank you.
Alena, ne, what can you expect from Mahu in 2026?
More hits. I'm dropping soon, guys. Ingo Miami. Namangeke. Yeah.
Any features? No,
with Sammy K, and Umsa MSA.
Okay.
Yeah, we're dropping soon, guys. Make sure that you get ready, and it's trending on TikTok right now. Is it talk?
Yeah. Alena, ne, I want to play a small game.
Yeah.
One of your songs has to go. It's your songs. Uzizwa kanjani or Bengicela?
Melihambe.
Eyodwa. Choose one.
Ngithanda zonke nje, guys.
Ayingeke akwazi. Sine list nje.
Obviously, I like Bengicela. No, I like Bengicela is because it's talking about God. So you know, ngathini, yeah, Bengicela.
Bengicela sharp. Bengicela or Izono?
Angisazi ke, guys. I'm confused, but Bengicela zohlala ngihamba naye Nkosi yami.
Okay. Bengicela or Ndumandumane?
Bengicela, obvious.
Haha. Bengicela or Thokoza?
Bengicela.
Bengicela or Dubai?
Okay, guys, anamancane. Yini? Actually, Bengicela is actually my favorite song.
Yeah. Bengicela takes the cup.
Yeah.
How many cows will it take to global Mahu? Well, let's say one day say alobol. Ungafuna inkomo engaki?
2 million.
Inkomo ezo 2 million, 2 million
2
rand.
million in rent, like from there, yeah, Pezulu.
So basically, my buffaloes.
Yeah. Maybe more than that. Maybe you can add if you wanna add, but I like ngifuna ukulotsholwa ngemali serious ebonakalayo. Angikwazi ukulotsholwa 100k, like, so you can't. I'm so sorry.
2 million.
Yeah.
I changed. I heard it. What if uno 2 million manje? I was also
not just anyone. I can't just marry anyone. It's about ukuthi ngiphatha kanjani. You know, I believe in love. No, ngithanda and happy and uyangispoiler, you know, so it's gonna be easy.
Loyalty or love? Loyalty.
No loyalty, bro. Like and love. Gonke. Mina, I'm this type of a person because I won't date someone ngamthandi. I date for love and loyalty is important because umuntu ngamthanda but engakutreat the way treating guys. So love and then loyalty as well. So gonke. Asikwazi ukuchoose face lapho, yeah.
Okay everyone, sivalala i-video namhlanje sibeka unqi. I really hope you enjoyed i-video namhlanje. If you enjoyed ngiyacela ukwenza sure ukuthi smash lo like button, uphinde usmash nalo subscribe button and comment down below ukuthi wena uyibona kanjani lento yamahu nale mali yakhe 2 million. Is it possible noma uyayisholo nje, uyayibluffela, uyayidlalela? But mina ke hayi. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.